Welcome back to the series, or welcome if you're new. We are trying to get every single win with every single character, I should say, in Bounty Hunter and Hunt Royale. Now, we've already done the first 6 characters right there. Now we're on Spider Queen. Now for this one, you don't have to have Awake. I've got Awakened once. I can do Awakened twice, but I'm not going to do it yet. So for me it's Distance. You want Distance. And obviously Death Strike is classic. And you want Multi-Shot. So we're going to go select. Now, Bounty Hunter, let's go. And of course, my pet, I should always mention, is Caldera, just as personal choice. You can choose whatever one suits your playstyle. So let's get this now. Spider Queen is really fun in this game mode once you start getting a lot of abilities upgraded. So let's get straight into this. First, oh crap, there's Sniper. He could have Death Strike on. Move away. Try to get to the middle. Try to get the book before anybody else. Nice. It's going to be big help. So let's just hit him, hopefully a couple of times. They want attack speed. The first thing wants attack speed. Okay, Frozen Queen gone. They want distance right there. Ooh. Attack speed. We're going to go lifesteal. We definitely need lifesteal. The multi-shot there. They will need a heart soon, but not in a rush. We're going to go distance there. Ooh, we got a heart. Nice. And the book. Now fast spiders right there. Okay, now it's going to get interesting. It's going to pick up the pace really quick, you'll see. Now spiders are still a little bit slow. There's the new ones. Fast spiders again. That could be GG for him. We need the heart. We need the heart. You got the heart. Oh no. We do have lifesteal on. I think we have lifesteal. No, we don't yet. Oh, we do. We're going to go distance there. As you see, this gets ridiculously silly. We're going to go Death Strike right there for the next upgrade. We need a heart, so we're going to wait for the bottom one to spawn in. Hopefully we can get it. There you got it. Fast, again, fast spiders right there. Get the heart quick. Yes. Then we should be okay from here. Should just get really easy. We're going to go attack speed. Right there. This just gets really silly. Look at that. It just never stops. I'm going to go Death Strike just to annoy them a little bit more, even though we don't even need Death Strike. At this stage, the amount of spiders we got. Gotta move to get a heart real quick. Okay, Sniper, he could have Death Strike, I'm not sure yet. Distance. Why not go distance? 30 seconds left, already on 48 kills. Wow. Get a heart. I'm gonna go lifesteal. Just because we get poison damage and fire damage, so we can keep the health up. Beautiful. There we go. And we're gonna go fast spiders again. Look at how fast they are. That is crazy. Whoa. Gonna go attack speed again. Look at the speed of them moving out. Wow. Oh my days. Yep, there's no chance they're getting away from them spiders. They are so fast. It's pretty much over at this point. 66 kills, maybe get another one. 69 kills. Wow. That is how you get a win with every single game with Spider Queen. Damn, that was good. So that is that. Thank you so much for watching, and the next one will be, of course, Dragon Knight. Yep, so that's how you win every single game of Bounty Hunter with Spider Queen. Thank you for watching. I'll see you on the next one in the series.